how to sign up for Weibo. If you didn't know, Weibo is a Chinese gaming platform, so you need a Chinese phone number or email to sign up for it. So just search for Weibo sign up, and you will be on this web page. Just tap on this registration right here, and this will open up your portal, and you can change your language to English if you don't understand Chinese. Here you can enter your email address like so. Once you have entered your email address, you can enter your password. And once you have entered your password, just enter your birthday. Like so. And just enter your verification code. In my case, it's BACH. Yours should be different. And if you don't want to register via your email, you can always use a phone number by clicking right here. And after you have entered the verification code like this, you can just click on sign up, and you should have a new account of Weibo, and you can enjoy the Chinese games on this platform. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.